Okay. Bad news. Bad news, everyone. I need to a 320, everyone. I hate a320, but so whatever. It's a new airline. It's an Air Asia. So let's get started video. The picture. There's Oman Air, our friends. 737 Max. Ha ha ha. I like the engine sound of 737 Max. This is a Chennai airport. So it's a takeoff from Chennai to Kuala Lumpur. It's not a Air Asia India. It's just Air Asia. AirAsia.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, to differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket.
It's pretty fast, I guess.
Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety car. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight.
My favorite dog barking sound. It's my favorite. Even that sounds like something. Dog is barking, right? There's a runway right here. Runway, finally. It's gonna be very weird feeling. A Lufthansa cargo? Oh, I think that's a 7. I think that's a 777F, I guess. Maybe. Yeah, maybe. He's shaking a lot. My God, that's foolish. What is wrong with the people? He's screaming. This is Chennai.